This has been a historic day, whichever side of this issue you're on, nearly 50 years in the making. Let's take you live to Washington, D.C., outside the U.S. Supreme Court. Protesters have gathered all day long since this decision was handed down. Protesters on both sides of this issue. These protests are going on across the country. As you can imagine, the decision is polarizing. A protest is scheduled in downtown Nashville at the Legislative Plaza in about an hour.
State Capitol Newsroom reporter Chelsea Bimefore is there right now. She spoke with Tennessee lawmakers earlier today. Chelsea, what did they tell you?
Well, Alex, it's clear that after that Supreme Court decision came down today, abortion will be banned here in Tennessee. With trigger laws already on the books, that means the procedure will become illegal within the next 30 days in our state. And today, the state attorney general also asking a federal court to allow the heartbeat bill to go into effect as soon as possible, which will make abortions illegal after 6 weeks. Now, the Tennessee laws enacted in 2019 said if Roe v. Wade is overturned, performing an abortion becomes illegal except in extreme cases where it's necessary to save a mother's life. The law criminalizes health care providers, but not mothers. Today, Middle Tennessee doctors voiced their concerns with that wording, as did Democratic lawmakers, while Republicans called it a victory 50 years in the making.
So as a Republican, I've waited my whole life for today. I mean, this is an issue that is extremely important to Tennesseans. It's extremely important to me. It's extremely important to every American. This decision erases a horrible wrong that occurred with the Roe v. Wade decision that has cost over 60 million babies their lives. We have no idea what the potential would have been, no idea what those children could have become in their adult lives or what they could have accomplished.
In Tennessee, the consequences for women will be swift and severe because of a law from 2019 that will soon make abortion a felony. Governor Bill Lee's law gives him the power to criminalize abortion providers, and it forces women and girls to carry pregnancy to term even when they become pregnant as a result of a rape, even when they become pregnant as the result of incest.
Now, Representative Lamberth said today that although there are few exceptions to the law, he does think that conversations should continue in the state legislature to address some of those circumstances like rape and incest. Live from the state capitol, Chelsea Bimefore, News 2.